Welcome to Rishiket's Diaries.
Hello everyone! Today we're gonna be making a card for Father's Day. You will need A4 size sheets, 3 colors, glue stick, color pencils or markers, scissors, glitter sheet, and let's get started. Make room for your craft. Take a colored paper and fold it into half. Make sure the corners are equal. Then cut a little bit from the side, not all the way through. Then the same with the other side. Then turn it around and snip it from the side. Snip. And cut it all the way through. Then put it away. Now you fold it. No, first we need a tie. Draw out a tie and cut it. Keep cutting. Watch your fingers. Keep cutting. And the tie is almost done. So keep going until it's nice and even. And now we have a tie. So now we glue it onto the shirt. Lots of glue. And put it on the shirt. It doesn't have to be perfect though. Then put some glue onto the tie. Oops, I messed up there, but it's okay. Now just put it on. Now it's good. Now you have a shirt. It's really looking good. Now there's one step. You need to take another colored paper. Here it is. And fold it into half. I need to cut my paper, but if you don't need to do it, you can just keep going. Now I have cut it the size I want it to be. Now I need to fold it into half. Now do the thing that we did with the glue card, but every time you do it, you have to get a little bigger. Bigger in strips. Bigger, even bigger. A little more big. And do it until the paper is all complete. Keep going. It's a little tiring, but it'll be okay. You're doing it for your father. it's okay. It's for your father. My father is the best. So I can do anything for it. So now you open it and fold it from inside. This part might be a little tricky, but it's okay. If you don't do it right first, you can try it again. Keep folding and another fold. And that's about done. Now you need to put glue on the opposite side. So put the glue on really good. Keep going until it's all covered in glue. That's a lot of glue. Whoops! I think I messed up there. It's okay, I'll do it again. If it messes up like me, you can do it again. Now I've got it. It's decor time. You can do this part any way you want. Keep cutting. Now I have 2 strips and I'm gonna put them in the corners of my card, but you can put them anywhere. This is the part you can do by yourself. You don't need anyone's help. You can do it any way you want. Even if you mess up, it's okay. I mess up too. Keep going. Make sure you peel off the sticker. Put it right on the corner. And now you can take a colored pencil or a marker and write Happy Father's Day. It might get a little messed up, but it's okay. Whoops, I messed up the Y. Now you can write it any way you want, but my writing is a little big, so I need to move on to the other side. Now write day. If you want it big, you can write it big. But if you want it small, you can write small. And you can make hearts anywhere you want. If you want, you can even make stars. Don't forget to color the hearts in, or the stars, whatever you're making. And write from, and your name at the bottom. I'm Ayat anyway. Now we're done. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.